Kani kadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Daga babu thong ban kentiu kerpang ya ka yok ka kot bat ka kamai gaji jongginong rep lengba ka rep karyang ha jela ka College of Agriculture ka badon ha kerdem kulai harengkat gajingi trailang bat ka Ribhoi Farmers Union bat bala kershan da ka Northeastern Council Shillong kila shim ya ka sin jam ka benengkong da ka penlong ya ka Farmers Innovation Expo. Hagani ka Innovation Expo ka bala penlong arsngi kenti halor kapang Integrated Agriculture and Rural Bio-Entrepreneurship for doubling farmers' income. Bala penlong ha College of Agriculture Kerdem Kulai lapli ha ka Santarik Ulber Arjar Arpo dau Director General ka Administrative Staff College of India Hyderabad u Dr. Shubhana K. Patnaik ubalong kumukongsan but u Dr. N.B. Singh ubalong u Dean Jonga College of Postgraduate Studies Umyam kum usumbot kongsan. Hagani kasngi la sakhi langru dau Director jangka Indian Council of Agricultural Research RC Northeastern Hill Region Umyam u Dr. BK Kandpal u President jangka Ribhoi Farmers Union u ba Dima Jao ki scientist na ICAR bakuntup ru da ki hajarngut ki nongrep na Ribhoi bat ki samla pule na ka College of Agriculture Kerdem Kulai.
You all know that our Honorable Prime Minister gave a call in the year 2015 that we must double farmers' income in 6 years' time. When this call was given, many of the people felt that it is a very difficult task, but everyone started in right earnest working on it. The ministry produced a voluminous document. The author of that or the coordinator of that, he is coming, I think, and he will be participating tomorrow. He will be there with you tomorrow. He will be discussing and telling you more about it. But doubling of farmers' income is not something new to our farmers. Farmers have their own innovative ways of growing food crops over centuries. They have perfected the practices in such a way they are able to get more and more with every passing year. When I was a child, a kg of potato was 2 rupees. Today, I am retired from service. A kg of potato is 20 rupees. So over a period of 40 years, the potato price has grown only 10 times. Inflation has grown much more. In spite of that, that means though you are not getting the right price for your produce, yet the farmer is able to grow and prosper. So that means something must have been done by which he is able to eke out a living. Of course, much of it has come due to, maybe partly due to green revolution, partly due to the efforts of the scientists. But many small things in their own way is done by farmers by which they are able to really meet their financial needs. And this is one thing which has been attempted in this particular innovation Mela to document them. Many of you have done very innovative things, and I am very, very happy that you have instituted a prize to reward that farmer who is the best innovator. This is something which is really will go a long way in identifying such farmers for innovation and identifying such farmers who have the entrepreneur ability, because that's very important. This is also an opportunity for our scientists to learn from you. All these days, scientists have told you the solution, have given you the solution. But programs like this, scientists will also learn from you. You will learn from scientists, scientists will learn from you. Once that happens, nobody can stop you from progress. If you come to this campus and go around that particular demonstration model, which is just 100 feet from you, Some of you might have seen it, some of you may not have seen. You will have a chance to see. You just go and see it. Seeing is believing, seeing is learning. So you have, and whole of Meghalaya is nothing but a small patch of land like this multiplied many 100,000 times. So in this piece of land, you can grow, you can do agroforestry, you can grow timber species, you can grow spices. And when I say spices, not only cardamom, not only ginger, not only turmeric, but also cinnamon, bay leaves, and so many other things you can grow.
Such a big program at Kadam Kulai from this pool. And the theme of this Farmers Expo was very relevant and very timely. That's what the organizer have thought for the integrated agriculture and rural bio-entrepreneurship for doubling the farmers' income. If you see, the theme has 3 different segments: the integrated agriculture, rural bio-entrepreneurship, and doubling the farmer income. If you see them, they are typically isolated independent things. But unless they are not integrated together, they won't serve the purpose. It will not be for the benefit of the farmer, it will not be in the benefit of the society, and it will not be the isolations never works. It has to be integrated. And here, that's the wonderful thing the organizer had done, integrating all these things together, the 3 isolated things. For that, I feel, because integration is a very big subject when we talk about, but I have tried to coin it. For that, if we will reduce it to the 5 points, that's what I have done. I say them 5 R stewardship. The 5 R. What are they? Those? If you want to be successful, that is reshape, reuse, recycle, reduce, and refuge. If you do these 5 R's, then the solutions, the benefit will be again 5 R's, the good 5 R's. And if you don't do, that will be under 5 bad R's. So we have to integrate in a system where these 5 R's are going, making your path towards good 5 R's, not towards bad 5 R's. So I'm explaining them these 5 R's that will help to understand the whole concept, and that's what I want to convey from my message. First is reshape. The God has given us plenty of land resources. They have, just in my northeast, we'll find many places are slopy land, many are active floodplains, and some have the perennial water resources. Those resources God has given us. But unless we are not properly utilizing them, reshaping them, just like the slopy lands, we have to convert them in the terrace lands, contour bunding, all those things. Similarly, if it is active floodplain, my crop loss will be there only, I am able to take only 1 crop of paddy. But unless we are not going for the multiple crop, we are not reshaping the land, we cannot do. So we have to reshape the land resources.
Kajian nut jangi nama baha warajar katsan na kalian jeng Prime Minister sudah declare nama takat double the farmer income but nyo double ya ke income jeng kinong rep. Di kajing ang nut jangi kalong nama arhajar arfuar labu ya target. Tengi na kalian jeng ke seng nong rep hilong very serious halo jeng kanit. Tengi kuat kani kajing penlong jongi kani ke program mata kasni wanra kajing itu hapeng jong farmers bat scientist wan nakaliang jong scientist kini wanra ya teknologi syaki bat farmers kini yo ba nakaliang jong ki scientist abaki peni ya teknologi nane ki expert jong ki te ki farmers kini yo ya ka benefit ke jong ki te hangtang ila wan punurlong ya kata kajing pos ni jong prime minister Narendra Modi ji jong namar ba kinongrep bapli kimju kum kini ki program but abaki wan ki sakhi ya ki ui lagi jong ki kmat kum kini ki program but ka don ru kani ru kadai ke program manra ru ka yo ka market haka juk ko nam ta kinongrep te kadai ka jingmun tai ka babu sibun nam ta kinongrep
kai skor ki khon ma pa MA BA BSc BCom ong ki he babu ka khon mi ngal pa ka kam yo re ka ta ayanga makila penut ka pisa sibun tengka sibun mi pa ka ta ayanga man ong ba yo kam le he ka bagi i pa maka ni kam rep kana mi ki por radang troin yang troin maki khon jong kinong rep kim dap show tas he dia kani kala i where dia khot i appeal ya ki samna jong kadong ri boy jong kari je beriu jongi bagi ni sim ya kani kam kada karyang kari jongi agriculture very seriously
Swagatam, swagatam, shubh swagatam.
happy Thank you so much. Pickles and wine.
I give away more. Hey, 2 bottle away. I give me say come here, channel. Good.